Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the BTT token, and absolutely this video is also going an entertainment video for it all of you, my friends. So keep on this video complete, and before starting this video please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, you know what, personally the situation in a BTT token, personally I really appreciate BTT token for investment, and in my many videos also I recommend BTT token for investment, my friends. Now so today changes occur in the Bitcoin token. The last 1 hour changes is positive, the last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week change is also positive. 0.002709 USD dollar is the currently price of the Bittorrent token in the market. And on the other side, if you look the price changes, so my friends, you can see here the yesterday the last 1 day changes of the Bittorrent token is negative. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction about Bittorrent token? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.